If you're a great video creator, you will grow online.
मेडिटेशन एक ऐसी चीज है जो आप किधर भी कर सकते हो.
Positive thought won't work unless you work.
I'd shave my eyebrows and my hair and then go to the hills and become a monk. I wouldn't do this.
Hello there. It has been more than a year since we've been stuck inside our homes, which has been a mix of both bone and curse. So, for our fourth episode of Influence Adda, we decided to get someone to inspire us. He's known for spreading positivity and for content that truly motivates. Today, I'll be talking to Ranveer Alaphadia, aka Beer Biceps. Thank you so much for joining us.
I'm glad to be here, Karna. What's up? Looking forward to this conversation.
So it's been around 6 years since you started creating content, right? So can you take me back to the day you thought of creating content, from studying to become an engineer, right? By the way, you're the third engineer that I'm talking to who's become an influencer, a content creator.
Yeah.
So what were some of the things that you had to work on to be able to become an example for others? So walk me through it.
I think engineering teaches you how to learn anything because we don't understand any of our engineering subjects. Like, we always go in with like zero knowledge and then you have to figure out things yourself. So that's actually what engineering teaches you. And then you can apply it to the media world, you can apply it to the world of content creation and do an alright job. So that's pretty much why I think you've spoken to like so many engineers today. And in terms of what it was at the start, it was just an aggressive learning process. I want to learn how to use cameras. I want to learn how to speak well. I want to learn how to ensure my videos come up on YouTube. I want to learn how to build brands. And the process of self-learning, or whatever it's called, self-study, it really does a lot for your head. So then your learning capability also increases and then you can keep applying it. So all in all, I'm happy with what I've done in the 5-6 years.
So from there to content creation, can you walk?
I think the challenge was to really learn how to come in front of camera and not feel nervous, how to speak openly, how to ensure that your content pieces are fast-paced, people aren't getting bored watching them, how to constantly get better at that video process. So I feel like, when we talk about modern day skills, we talk about coding or we talk about, say, communication skills. Another huge skill is the skill of videography, making good quality videos. Of course, then tomorrow, you can go and create a company that sells videos for a living. But if you apply to yourself and your own personal brand, that's just the way social media works in the modern day. If you're a great video creator, you will grow online. So I feel that video creation skill was a very key part of my arsenal overall. It's probably more important than the entrepreneurship stuff also.
Okay. So considering that you started out as a fitness channel, your handle Beer Biceps is quite creative and ironic at the same time, right? So what was the thought behind it? Why the name?
I feel if you want to grow in any business, you have to run in the direction when no one else is running. And I saw that fitness channels back in the day were only about discipline and, hardcore fitness. And fitness is everything. And I wanted to bring in this element of, listen, relax, party, but also stay fit. And it worked for me. The name stuck around. So now I don't drink. I'm not into bodybuilding much anymore. I'm much more of a yogi. But the name has stuck around and I can't get rid of it, but it's fine.
Alright. So how important do you think is the creator's handle or channel name?
It's more important now than it was earlier. And I'm glad I took that decision in 2015 because there's so many people who are going by their own names that it becomes difficult to remember someone's name. But if you go by a gimmick or if you go by a brand, like you remember Miss Malini rather than Malini Agarwal, or you remember The Rock more than you remember Dwayne Johnson. So in just the current social media scenario in the modern world, having a gimmick is great. It stays in people's heads. So now even when we're thinking about investing in other companies, we invest as Beer Biceps Investments and not Ranveer Alaphadia Ventures or something, because it's become a brand name. It's something that stays in people's heads. And people know what the brand stands for, fortunately.
Yeah, definitely. So Ranveer, do you remember the first brand that you worked with as content?
Yeah, it was a energy drink brand. For 7,000 rupees we had agreed. I'll never forget that because it was the first piece of money that I was making. And my manager, who's my co-founder now, Viraj, he took about 1,400 rupees from it. So he earned 1,400 rupees. I earned about 5,600. And back then it was a huge, I won't say huge amount, but it was definitely a huge deal that we cracked our first deal. We would get 1,500, 2,000 likes on our Instagram, and we were monetizing all those likes. So it was a huge deal back then, man.
It sure was, yeah. And if you were to start today, everything from scratch, so how would you do it?
How would I go about starting from scratch?
How would you? How would you?
I'd shave my eyebrows and my hair and then go to the hills and become a monk. I wouldn't do this. I'm doing it now because there's momentum with it. And along the way, I've discovered meditation, yoga, and that's my real answer. But purely from a content creation perspective, I would go really strong with my Instagram Reels strategy. I think that's the key to growth. We're seeing it with one of our monkey talents, Niharika NM, who we've managed since 4 or 5 years, but she's really popped as a talent right now. We always believed in her. We knew she'll have this explosion, but even we didn't see this quantity of, this impact this kind of magnitude of an explosion that happened. And that's only due to Instagram Reels. And what I'd also tell younger content creators is that there's going to be many more opportunities like Instagram Reels over the next 5 years. You'll have some change in a social media platform. For all maybe YouTube Shorts will really take off, which is YouTube's version of Reels. And that might really explode into something. So there's going to be a lot of opportunity going forward.
So one influencer that you want to collab with?
Does Virat Kohli count as an influencer?
Why
so
not?
I'd say Virat Kohli.
Okay. And as we move forward in 2021, what are some of the things that you are going to
I'm hoping that with the vaccines or people agree to shoot in person. I want to create a lot more podcasts for sure. That's like the big goal. I think the pandemic really put a halt to us in terms of shooting in person. We couldn't get a lot of our dream guests because of that scenario. So I hope that restarts. I don't really have any other goal. I want to create, just a better form of the content that I've been creating till this point, which is motivational, which is value adding, which is deep content, which is something that leaves a person slightly different compared to what they were before they consumed that piece of content. So I just want to do more of that. That's all.
I'll be looking forward to that.
Thank you.
Thank you so much for your time.
Okay,
Take
lovely.
care.